What's going on, everybody? Chad Belding with the Fowl Life Television and Banded Brands. They asked me what's in your drawers, and I'm going to show you right now, guys. Decked is so important to us. We're traveling America's highways and back roads daily, chasing ducks, geese, turkeys. This time of the year, I got tools in here in case we need to build a turkey blind. Something goes wrong on the salmon boat, something goes wrong with the truck. We're readily equipped with all of our tools. Extra dog food for the duff man right here. Bumpers, because we're always training this time of year, getting ready for the upcoming duck season. We got our jumper cables, water bowl for duff. We have all of our axes and saws, Gerber knives, fillet knives, you name it. We like to have a sharp blade at all times. Jack Link snacks for the road, beef sticks and jerky. We got the TP, you know, the quarantine. They're saying to keep this on hand. It's in high demand right now, but just in case, I got an extra pair of socks, extra pair of underwear. And this side over here, we start to mean business. We got the Benelli SB3 Turkey Edition Rob Roberts pistol grip, ready to throw down on Mr. Tom Gobbler himself. I got my knee boots. I got my vest, strap it on for the turkey woods. I got everything in there from, again, knives and calls and GPS, and a little bit of extra TP in there as well. I got all my federal ammo and all the different sizes, 20 gauge and 12 gauge TSS, 3rd degree, Grand Slam. I have my high-vis sights. I love what they do as far as me being able to stay on target. And then I have my turkey calls. I love the Bone Collector Edition slate calls, box calls, diaphragm and mouth calls. And I love getting in the woods and chasing, guys. So again, the deck goes everywhere we go. It keeps all of our gear at an arm's length, secure, safe. We lock our leer topper and everything's right there for us. This time of the year, we're chasing old Mr. Gobbler himself. So wish us luck, Chad Belding, the Fowl Life Television and Banded Brands. Thank you, Decked, very much.